Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my presentation. I am Ramin Ahmed, Department of Business Administration, Shahzala University of Science and Technology, Sylhet. Today, I will discuss about why employees prefer application form than cover letter and CV. Generally, which factors motivate them to do so. At first, we should know what is application letter. An application letter is a business letter that states an applicant's intention in a specific job applying for. It is a letter that provides detailed information about the applicant. Skills and abilities are clearly identified in an application letter because it helps in determining how qualified the applicant is. This is the sample of job application letter. Now, we should know what is cover letter and CV. A cover letter is a letter that introduces an applicant. It mentions the job title a person is applying for. The purpose of a cover letter is to encourage someone in the recruitment team to read an applicant's resume. This is the sample of curriculum vitae. Now we should know what's the difference between cover letter and application letter. A cover letter usually used when to apply for an open job vacancy. On the other hand, an application letter can be used when there is no job posting or to apply for academic programs. A cover letter contains maximum 1 page long. On the other hand, an application letter can be 1 to 2 page long. Now, we move on our main topic, why employees prefer application form than cover letter and CV. There are many reasons that an applicant prefer application form than cover letter. An application letter generally contains a brief description of the job seeker's work history or professional experience. An application letter often can substitute for a resume and therefore requires that the job seekers include specific information about his work history and professional competencies. On the other hand, a cover letter should not contain too much information about the job seeker's work history because it's merely an introduction to the resume. It's acceptable for a cover letter to reference the job seeker's work history in a sentence or two about her current or previous employer. However, it should not contain details about any professional experience. A cover letter is a teaser. Its intent is to capture the reader's attention enough to make the recruiter or hiring manager want to review the resume. The cover letter should contain just enough information that it doesn't give away everything about the applicant. An application letter, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive document. It describes the applicant's educational background, certification, and license, and in some cases salary history for job posting that requires it. When an employer specifically requires a cover letter and resume, that's what the job seeker should submit. It's relatively rare that an employer will accept an application letter in lieu of a cover letter and resume. The two approaches are different and employers use application letter infrequently when compared to how they use cover letter and resume. An application letter is more appropriate for unsolicited interest or when there isn't a job posting. For example, an application letter could be mailed to several employers that aren't advertising specific jobs vacancies as a way to provide a more extensive introduction to prospective employers. That's all about me. Thank you everyone for listening with passion.